Pollution is one of the most critical environmental issues affecting our world today. It occurs when harmful substances are introduced into the environment, impacting ecosystems, human health, and climate stability. Understanding pollution and its various forms is essential to combat its harmful effects and promote sustainable practices. Types of pollution. Air pollution primarily results from emissions by vehicles, factories, and the burning of fossil fuels. Common pollutants like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter enter the air, causing respiratory and cardiovascular diseases and contributing to climate change through greenhouse gases. Water pollution. This type of pollution affects rivers, lakes, oceans, and groundwater. It is often caused by industrial waste, agricultural runoff, plastics, and chemicals like pesticides. Water pollution disrupts aquatic life, contaminates drinking water, and leads to the decline of marine species, impacting food chains and ecosystems. Soil pollution. Soil becomes polluted when exposed to chemicals, waste, pesticides, and heavy metals. Polluted soil loses fertility, affecting agriculture and biodiversity, and can even allow contaminants to enter the food chain, affecting human health. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is common in urban areas and comes from traffic, industrial activities, and construction. Prolonged exposure to excessive noise can lead to stress, hearing loss, sleep disturbances, and increased blood pressure. Light pollution. This lesser-known form of pollution is caused by excessive artificial light, which disrupts ecosystems, affects human sleep patterns, and obscures our view of the night sky. Causes of pollution. Human activities are the primary source of pollution. Industrialization, rapid urbanization, deforestation, agriculture, and the excessive use of non-renewable resources all contribute significantly. Additionally, improper waste disposal and single-use plastics add to the accumulation of pollutants in our environment. Impact of pollution. The consequences of pollution are severe and widespread. 1. On human health. Pollution can lead to respiratory diseases, cardiovascular issues, cancer, and developmental disorders, especially in children. 2. On ecosystems. Pollution causes habitat degradation, loss of biodiversity, and species extinction, disrupting natural balances and ecosystems. 3. On climate. Greenhouse gases and pollutants contribute to global warming, leading to climate change, which results in extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and long-term ecological shifts. What we can do. Combating pollution requires both individual efforts and systemic changes. Here are some actions to help reduce pollution. 1. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Minimizing waste by reusing and recycling materials reduces the amount of waste ending up in landfills and oceans. 2. Switch to renewable energy. Using solar, wind, and hydroelectric energy helps reduce reliance on fossil fuels. 3. Use sustainable transportation. Walking, biking, carpooling, and using public transportation reduce vehicle emissions. 4. Advocate for environmental policies. Supporting policies that reduce emissions, promote sustainable practices, and regulate waste disposal is crucial for long-term impact. Conclusion. Pollution is a pressing issue that affects every living being on Earth. By becoming more aware and making responsible choices, we can help reduce pollution and protect the environment. Addressing pollution is not just about preserving natural beauty but ensuring a healthy, sustainable world for future generations.